Good morning, you buggers. And look, where the hell am I? Ooh, we are at the airport finally. Finally, after how long? We last went where? To Bangkok. No, from here we went to Goa. Goa we went from here, from Chandigarh airport. So this is the setup of the airport for 15th August. And today is 15th August, the Independence Day. So we are going to Bombay for 2-3 days. And we are going to have a ball there. I'll show you where I'm staying and what all we're going to do. So let's just get inside and then I will get back to you all after this check. Cheers. So look at this. This is the entrance here. They've done it up. Yeah, these trolleys are bloody buggered up. And we'll just get our bags scanned here and coming here after so long. Let's see. Oh, there's a long lineup from here only. Come on, let's get our bags checked and then we'll proceed ahead. This is our weight, 40 kgs for 3 of us. See, there are 2 bags only. This is our handbag, one Nike bag in which my shoes are, Jaden's diaper bag, my gadget bag and empty bag. Third row we have got our seats and you saw the wait for, we are going actually only for 3 days and it's already 40 kgs. So we are taking so much stuff just for 3 days, imagine. Anyways, now we'll clear the security area and then we will go and grab on something. We have not had breakfast. We decided we'll eat breakfast here only. So let's go now. So this is the security area of Chandigarh. And not lucky, we knew there will be less crowd here. So we are going to clear this area and let's see what we can grab on. How's my hair looking? Messi?
Yes.
Messi, not Ronaldo.
कुछ भी
PJ. Anyways, this is our only handbag. What is big here? Don't go so far, the voice it will not carry. Yeah, this. See where she's recording, yaar.
Emotional, damn it.
Buddhu cameraman. Just now also see where she's recording.
You
Abbe,
only,
look
you
there.
are so proud. You come in every angle.
Look in the camera and record now. Why just 2 minutes I gave her. Give it to me, yaar. She can't do it.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Have you pressed recording also? Just check. Oh God. Anyways, we are now going to head to eat something. And Jaden found this on the ground. I told him nothing happens. It's yours. Once it's fallen, it's yours. Come on now. We'll go. This is where he's going to go for the cars. 100%. Chalo, we are going to have a little roaming session and then I'll catch you soon and show you what we are grabbing on. Okay? Till then, see you. Woo! So we came in from that side and this is where all the grub area starts. Starts from here. It goes up to there. Anyways, Jaden and all are roaming around. I'll catch them. See what Jaden bought. Jaden? You bought it? From where? From the shop? Who bought you? Who is this? Eh? Mama? No, I bought you. No? Dada bought you? Chalo, let's see what we're going to eat here. Come on. Biryani is closed. Most of them I think closed. I think we'll eat dosa only. In the morning, nice crispy dosa we'll eat. Nice and light also it will be. So let's have a go at this place. So it's 11:40 and we are waiting. Our gate has changed to 4. And Jaden is enjoying here. Oh God, stepping on Mama's shoes. She's wearing slippers. Anyways, we are all set waiting. So we went to the food court. Abbe, one dosa is costing 450 bucks, imagine, yeah. We said we'll rather sit in the aircraft and we'll have a nice non-veg sandwich there.
And I'm sure in the vlog you must have said, now we are going to eat, now we are going to, I'll show you all what we are going to eat.
ये फंस गया सीएम
I said I'll show you what we're going to eat.
Every time in your vlog, whenever you disclose your eating plans,
But I have to say now what we're going to do next. No.
are the eating plans so you always goes fire in all your vlogs.
No. You all can check on the other vlogs also. Usually I tell you all what, when I'm going to eat what, I tell you all what I'm going to eat.
चल झूठा
We're going to have lunch, and then it so happened, oh, this happened, we couldn't have lunch, we ended up having.
Anyways, so what's happened to my mustache? There's something for a change I'm starting. I used to do this earlier, but I said, Chala, let's have a go again at this look. So we are just waiting, grubby, hungry, and we'll just catch you in the flight now. When we are entering, then I'll show you. We are right at the front. Yeah. Cheers. So we are finally heading to the aircraft. Finally. Jaden, where are we going? Bombay? In what we are going? No, in what are we going? Aeroplane. Jaden is finding the aeroplane. Come on, Jaden. This is the aircraft. We are on the 3rd row here only. 3D. Our seats are there, somewhere there. So anyways, we all set here. It's 12:25 and Jaden is playing up. And one more thing, we thought we'll get nice grub. I can't see any chicken sandwich and all, only Maggie and all this masala tea and all is there. Anyways, let's see what's there. Let's let the door close and let's go up in the air and then we'll see what we're going to grab on, because I am very hungry, man. Whatever is there, I'll eat off. Even if Maggie's, I'll have to eat that Maggie. Chalo, see you in a while now.
A few moments later.
So the time is 1:20. My first meal I'm eating now, which is bad. Anyways, this was pre-ordered. We forgot about it. Pahari chicken sandwich. First we used to get even at Jungli sandwich, yaar, but they have only Pahari one. So one is for Jaden. He's having his, and one juice, orange juice, and one Coke, and coffee we'll order after some time. One more drink. We have one drink with each meal. So we're going to order that after we finish all this. I'll have it later. So let me enjoy my sandwich now. What to show you in eating a sandwich. So let's finish this sandwich. I'm really hungry and get back to you once we are landing now. Okay, boom. So we had a beautiful flight. Oh, on time. Indigo is very good at this, I must say. Still now, till I was there, it always used to, but yeah. So anyways, it's raining here heavy. we're going to catch our luggage. Collect our luggage, and we're going to head to our hotel. I'm going to show you where we are staying. See, it's raining heavy. Heavy rain is going on. Yeah, coming. Come on. Here. Where? Oh, okay. On that you want to go? Come on. All this reminds me of my days in P3. Like these, the coaches were standing, aircraft, Indigos were there only. And yeah, here is to be the arrival, and BMA also. So anyways, we are heading for our luggage, and we are really excited. The weather is awesome. It's raining nice, pouring, and we had a wonderful journey. We didn't even know when bloody 2 hours 10 minutes passed, and I was on the iPad. I only watched half an hour only, I think, and we were already getting ready to land. See how nice it's looking. Beautiful. So the time is 3:30, and we finally got all our luggage. And now we're going to take a cab. Let's see. I think we're going to take Uber. Uber is showing cheap. It's not so expensive. Abhi look here na.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
I don't need to look at the
You have to
camera
see, no?
constantly. Whatever is coming, I know the angle.
Anyway, so they're charging $1,000, and
I'll
we
keep
managed
looking
to
at
see
you,
one
imagine, while recording.
Uber for $500. Anyways, let's get in the car, and then I will show you a little bit of Bombay, and then you'll see our hotel. So see you.
खत्म. बाय बाय. टाटा. गुड बाय. गया.
So this is the Mumbai airport arrivals. Lots and lots has changed from when I came here last. Good old memories we have here. So anyways, you have to go to the west side, level 4 for Uber, for cab to go to our hotel. Chalo, let's enjoy this nice weather, and see you all soon.
Much later.
So it was very convenient for us to catch the cab. Nothing much, just take the lift, go down on level 4. 1 minute, and once you reach the level 4, they tell you on which pillar to come at. Nothing so tough to reach there. And now we are on the road. See, nice. The weather also is giving us. See, so nice. Lovely weather. Uber, Ola is best to book. Yeah, it's very well guided also on the pillars and everywhere it's written. And Uber had its own separate pickup point, like a terminal. So see, this is a little glimpse of Bombay right now. And there's some luggage here, and some is here at the back. Here also they have CNG and all. Chalo. What you're saying, what's in the hotel? Who's there in the hotel? Mama's friend. Eh?
So we told him that there is a surprise. Somebody's coming. So he thinks it's my friend.
So he's saying Mama's friend is come. I said my friend is come. My friend is there. No. Mama's friend. My friend is sleeping. How you know he's sleeping? Eh? Oh, like that. Acha. But my friend is Gabby. No? Then who is my friend? In your mall.
Oh, that girl he's talking about.
Oh,
That friend of yours.
my friend is that mall.
Yeah.
Oh, acha. She must be sleeping.
Because when we went,
Oh, when we went there, she was not there. That's why.
wow, my friend is waiting for you in Bombay.
Yeah.
We're excited to meet her.
Nah.
You don't like?
He's saying don't lie.
Don't lie.
We are going to show you some nice surprise. Okay? Mama's friend? No, she's not Mama's friend.
Guess. Keep
You have to keep telling who it is, okay?
किलोमीटर पे सामने सीधा जाएंगे तो सलमान खान का है और ये लेफ्ट साइड पे शाहरुख खान का है।
Oh, ये मन्नत हो गया.
नहीं ये मन्नत नहीं है।
अच्छा.
So see, this traffic is all because of Shahrukh's house, and this is famous. This is famous house, Mannat. Yeah.
So excited.
See the amount of people here. They all trying to get a glimpse of him. But he is not here. See, and it's sea facing. Oh yeah, it's all getting blurred.
और खाने का यहाँ पे
खाने का अब जहाँ है वहाँ तो है ही लेकिन बाहर
नहीं,
का
मेरे
मजा
को बाहर ही खाना है यार।
हाँ।
ये वड़ा पाव और ये सब
बाहर का
खाना है।
मजा कुछ और है।
हाँ, वही।
आपने देखे कोई एक्टर लोग
हम तो बहुतों से मिले हैं,
मिले भी हो?
बहुतों से मिले हैं
ओ वाह भैया.
और सोनू निगम और
अच्छा।
आपका ये जो सुनील शेट्टी बहुत एक्टर हैं।
कहाँ मिलते
जुबिन
हो?
नौटियाल। पहले मैं टी सीरीज कंपनी में जॉब करता था ना,
ओ
तो उन्होंने सैलरी बहुत बार से बोल रहा था बढ़ाने के लिए, बढ़ाए नहीं तो फिर मैं छोड़ दिया जॉब।
अच्छा.
23,000 रुपए दे रहा था उस टाइम। मैं बोला सर 27 कर दीजिए,
हाँ।
27 कर दीजिए। बोले बढ़ाएंगे। काफी दिन से लगे रहे, नहीं बढ़ाए तो उनके ठीक है रिजाइन दे रहा हूँ। और उनका ज्यादा ही दौड़ना भागना था।
अच्छा.
ड्यूटी जो बोले थे वो ड्यूटी नहीं लेते थे। 8 घंटा बोले थे तो सीधा 12 घंटा 14 घंटा हो जाता था। उसका भी ओवर टाइम नहीं मिलता था। हमके जाने दो, इतना बड़ा कंपनी नाम का है, केवल काम का नहीं है। हमके इससे अच्छा मैं बाहर कमा लूंगा अपना।
So guess where we are? We were caught up in real shit traffic, non-moving. We are in Startlands End. So this is it. See the bar side there. It starts from there, it goes all the way there. Never ending. भैया ये भी बैग साथ में ही है? हाँ, इसके साथ ही है। Come on, let's get our room keys. See? Yeah. Go quietly. We see the piano. Who's here? Who's there? So we have finally got our room keys and we are heading to our room with our luggage. Oh yeah, they've come with our entrance. Yeah, just thank you so much. Come, Achal, let me put this for you.
Let her put this for you. He's just gorgeous.
Come on, take it. Why are you getting frightened? For him then.
Can I put it then on you? Okay.
let's go now. So that was a welcome Varmala, whatever you call it, and oh, see how nice that is. Now lychee juice time. Where is it? This side I forgot to show you only. Nice, huh? Very, very nice. Oh, here it is. So these are some goodies, sweets, all in the hotel. Nice. Come on. So she's escorting us to our room. 2007. And it's
Yes.
5:03. Let's see the room now. So we are heading. This is
100%.
heading towards our room. Oh, that's our room. The best thing of this room is this. Ooh. Wow. Look at this view. Oh, so nice. Jaden is nice. And this, we have a connecting door here to her parents. And this is the bathroom. Huge bathroom. Hey, put the lights on. So this is a tub, small one, not that big, but good enough. Standing shower. Here's where we will be getting ready. Okay, and this is the, I don't know what this is, man. Like, how do you wash your bum or what it is? I don't understand this part. This I know. This is everybody knows. They're good. And this is a closet. Iron board. Everything is there. There's some hangers. And what's in this? Oh, nice, the shoe thing. Which is really needed many times. Oh, there's an extra blanket here. And this is our room. And these bottles are coming home.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
This water bottle. This will be whacked from here. And this is a small bar which Diane has not shown in her video. With all these goodies which we have to hide it from Chamu. Oh crap, there are more goodies in that. Hide all this from Chamu. And this view is the best. So I hoped you like this small little vlog of today. Or don't know how long it is. Depends on how much I'm going to put also. So we're going to rest, relax, change and enjoy this view. And yeah, I keep putting stories on Insta. Follow me there also.
Are they going to open?
And that they'll open it.
Mom, open.
Arey bhai, I'm close. Ending the vlog. You also, yaar. See the popper everywhere, yaar. Anyways, I'm ending the vlog here for today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Rest in Bombay, I'm mostly going to show you only, I think, eating places. Because I am not going to do all this tourist stuff that people go and watch here and there. Only eating I'll be showing you. Only eating of Bombay, okay? So, see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye. Boom.